Hi, my name is Siri, and I have a poem that I would like to read about a few heroes of mine. I salute. I salute to the God-sent soldiers on foreign lands to protect the land of the free. I salute the sailors that are far out in the deep blue protecting the seven seas. I salute the pilots that patrol our airways for countless days and nights. I salute the hard-working representatives of our military that are in our communities finding strong, graceful, young men and women to protect this great country. I salute to the families who've had countless birthdays, holidays, and dinners without these heroes, so they can stand the watch. I salute to freedom and all that it stands for. God bless America.